What's up, guys? Welcome to your 110th Android tutorial for the new Boston, and this will be the last tutorial for our external data class. And what it's talking about quickly in the last tutorial is we had to save it as a PNG. So, another way we can proof test is we can go up to our file where we set up here and just say plus and then in quotations .png, since that image we were saving was a PNG file. That way they won't have to type PNG, but also if they do type PNG, it probably will give an error because it'll be .png. So that's just one quick way we can fix that error. And then also what we can do, or what we want to do in the main, what this tutorial is mainly about, is letting our media scanner update, so the user can access those files, because sometimes it doesn't update automatically, or it takes a little while before those files are accessible to the user. So if we just do an update through the media scanner, that way we know for sure that that file is available to the user. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up a media scanner connection, or refer to that class, and we're going to hit .scan file. As you can see, it takes 4 paths, or 4 parameters. So for the context, what we're going to do, we're going to say external data .this. Again, the external data is our class name if you guys are just seeing this tutorial and haven't been following along. For our paths, what we're going to do, we're going to create a new string. Whoops. Whoa, what's going on? Alright, we're going to create a new string array, and we're going to basically put one thing within here. We're going to refer to our file name, and then we're just going to say toString. That's going to convert our file into a string, end off a bracket, and we're good for that second parameter. For the fourth parameter, and I'm just hitting enter after the commas, it's not really going to affect how the computer reads it, it's just for simplicity's sake for you guys. The third one, we're just going to set null, and the fourth one's going to be quite long. What this one is going to be is basically we're going to set up an on-scan completed listener, and kind of do something after a scan has been complete. So what we're going to say is new media scanner connection dot on scan completed listener. So click that and it sets it up for us. Let's finish off our statement here with the semicolon. Again, this is just the fourth parameter. We can do something within here, whatever you guys want. Again, we can set up a toast dot make text external data dot this text scan complete, and duration toast is dot set length to short, and there we go. So now this scanner will kind of update our file name. So here are 4 parameters. We got the context, which is this of our class. The second one, which is our path, which we convert into a string array, or a file I should say, into a string array. And the third one, don't worry about it, it's just going to be set to null. Last one we're going to say on complete, or scan completed, just if we want to display a toast. Whoops. Gotta put T display, something like that, or show, sorry. And there we go. So that's it for this tutorial. Maybe leave a comment here for future reference. Update media, update files for the user to use, something like that. So alright guys, next tutorials we're gonna get into something else. Don't know what yet. Maybe SQLite or something like that. So I'll catch you guys then. Have a good one. Peace.